My name is Kellen Nelson, and I'm a postdoctoral researcher working with Adam Watts. I'm a fire ecologist, and we're interested in sampling smoke and evaluating the constituents of the smoke coming off of wildland fires. We're preparing to head out to Sican Marsh Preserve, which is a nature conservancy property in southern Oregon, and we're going to be coordinating with some folks with the Missoula Fire Lab and the Nature Conservancy to look at smoke plumes in above wildland fires. Today we're doing a test flight of our UAS emission sensing payload. This is a test just to make sure that vibration is under control and all the data is logging correctly.
And what we'll be able to measure is carbon dioxide, CO, particulate matter, or PM. So those are kind of air quality variables. And also with these silver cans right here, we'll be able to actually collect some air samples and bring those back to our organic analysis laboratory. So we'll be able to test for trace gases and other constituents that we don't have sensors to measure in real time.
PM1, PM2.5, PM10, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide display, and also temperature, relative humidity, and pressure.
One of the things that we hope to accomplish is we're interested in understanding what kinds of fires make what kinds of smoke. So at its most basic, we'll be looking at the differences between different types of prescribed fires under different kinds of conditions and what kinds of emissions those fires produce. So one of the big questions in land management and in public health is the types of differences in smoke that you get from prescribed fires versus from wildfires and what those effects are. So we'll be looking at that for one thing. For another, we're really interested in how you can best measure these kinds of things. Smoke is really ephemeral, so you'll have a smoke plume kind of moving around or a little column of smoke coming up from a patch of vegetation that's burning. And so these unmanned aircraft seem like great tools to measure it. And with these custom payloads that we're developing, we think that that's going to be a really powerful way, but the only way we can be sure is to go out and try it.